Andarki namaskaram. At the outset, I would like to say that the greatest pleasure was mine to be here today for such a fantastic performance by Sahana. We have her guru, Srimati Bala Garu, on the stage, and my dear Lalita. We've known each other for quite many years now, and our bonding has been over dance and of course other spheres also. I'm sure you'll all agree with me that we had a great evening today watching Sahana dance. And when you see her on the stage, we have to remember the number of hours she has spent practicing to be here and to be able to perform like this today. So I think she deserves a very big round of applause from all of us. And for that to happen, you need a guru, you need a teacher who's able to pick, understand, know your strengths and take you forward. And I think Srimati Bala Garu has really done that. She has ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా మలిచారో సహనాని. అంటే తన స్ట్రెంగ్స్ని రికగ్నైజ్ చేసి చక్కగా ఒక బొమ్మని ఎంతో అందంగా తీర్చిదిద్ది మన ముందు ఉంచారు ఇవాళ. అంటే ఇది అలాగే అయిపోదు, చాలా కృషి చేయాలి, ఎన్నో గంటలు సాధన చేయాలి. అమ్మాయి సాధన చేస్తుంటే గురువుగారు సూపర్వైజ్ చేయాలి. ఇవన్నీ అయినప్పుడే అంత అవలీలగా చేసేసింది వాళ్ళ సహన. జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్. అమేజింగ్ స్టామినా. సహన, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ సిట్, డోంట్ స్టాండ్. అమేజింగ్ స్టామినా. అండ్ before I forget, before I get to Sahana, I would like to talk about the orchestral support. ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా సంపూర్ణంగా ఉండదు ఎప్పుడు. అంటే మనకు ఒక మంచి ఆర్కెస్ట్రా ఉంటే, ఆ సహకారం ఉంటే, the level of the performance just goes up like that. And you'll all agree with me, with Shastri Garu, with Rajgopalachari Garu, with my little Shiva. Then we had Shashidhar Garu on the veena, and of course Murli Garu on the Murali, and we had Jay Kumarachari Garu on the special effects. Annitki anta chakkaga, and it's like a nice blend of not only the learning, the practicing, the sadhana, but then such a wonderful orchestra to support what you do. I think you don't have to think నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి అని. వాళ్ళు అలా పాడుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు, వాయించుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు, మా అమ్మాయి అలా డాన్స్ చేస్తూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, మనం అలా కూర్చొని అలా చూస్తూ ఉండిపోయాం. We're just lost. And a special mention I would like to make 3 items. All the 6 were fantastic, but I thoroughly enjoyed Chalamela. I'm sure you'll all agree with me that there was this very beautiful, naive, innocent kind of presentation when I saw Chalamela. It was a beautiful treatment. Chala baga chesavu Sahana. I really liked that. Of course, Marakatu Manamaya is everybody's favorite. Master gar repertoire chusna vallu inni samvatsaraluga. That is always one of our favorites, my favorites too. But there also she has, let me say that she has left her mark with her abhinaya. Very, very, very touching, very, very true. You could see, I mean, I could see the eyes. Eyes are a mirror to your soul, right? So, kallalo, that conviction, devotion, ala kanipichindi naku, and God bless you, my dear. And then I loved the Javali. I really loved the Javali. She was, sorry, can I use the word? She was bindas. She really did it well. She really, really did it well. I really enjoyed. God bless you, my dear, with plenty. And what a lovely couple. And I'm so happy that Teja is there, standing beside her, encouraging her, and saying that I'm there without saying it aloud, but he's there, he's supporting her. And my dear Praful Garu and Anila Garu, who have been encouraging her through all these years. And of course, how can you forget her mother-in-law and father-in-law? A big round of applause for the end. Because ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆడపిల్ల డాన్స్ నేర్చుకుంది అంటే పెళ్లి వరకు బాగుంది, చేసింది, బాగుందమ్మా, వెరీ నైస్ అంటారు. కానీ ఆ తర్వాత కూడా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి బాగా సపోర్ట్ చేసి ఇంతవరకు ఇలాగా రంగప్రవేశం కూడా చేయిస్తున్నారంటే థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ సో సపోర్టివ్ టు our little girl. And I want to thank Bala Garu also. ఎన్నోసార్లు she has invited me. I apologize I could not come, but I'm truly happy that I could make it today, and I enjoyed such a beautiful evening, such a great performance, and having Lalita also there along with me on the stage and off stage. We were looking at her and kind of discussing, identa baagundi kada, she did it so well. What about her stamina? Fantastic stamina. And thank you Lalita for being here also and making the evening more pleasurable. Thank you very much. And Balagaru, thank you once again. Thank you to the orchestra. Murli Krishna Garu, as usual, he is in his element today. ఆయన ప్రతి అంశానికి చక్కగా అంత అంటే ఏమంటారు ముచ్చారని అలా వచ్చినట్టు అలా చెప్తూ వెళ్ళిపోయారు. అండ్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ హి హస్ గివెన్. Thank you to Murli Krishna Garu also and everybody. Thank you for having me here today. Thank you very much.